Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable vibration and haptics on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you guys covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile on this page. And then go underneath interaction controls and select vibration and haptics. If you want to enable it, have it toggle to the right like you see on my screen. Otherwise, if you want to disable it, click inside the oval one time to gray it out, meaning it's turned off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.